Live from Charlotte, this is WBTV News on your side.
Now it's Welcome back. I am joined with Dr. Jonny Bowden, and we're going to be talking about what you should be eating this time of year to stay healthy. Thanks so much for being here.
It's my pleasure.
So it's cold outside, and actually Lee's been saying tomorrow is going to get very cold.
And we all tend to get run down during the winter, and there's certain things that we can do. There are things that I keep in my cupboard I like to tell other people about because they really do help keep you resilient during the winter. Then there are better fats, and I can't emphasize enough how important this is because there are so many good things in fats that we need. And what we did is we took sugar out of the diet. I mean, we took fat out of the diet, we replaced it with sugar, and sugar is very inflammatory, and it contributes to all of the things we're trying to get rid of, including obesity. So we need to get better fats in, and some of these fats are very healing. I love Malaysian palm oil. This is an unknown one. It contains all kinds of tocotrienols. A lot of people don't know about the health benefits of palm oil. And there was a study done just recently out of Malaysia that showed that people who ate high-fat diets, low-fat diets, didn't matter. What mattered in terms of heart disease risk was the amount of carbs they ate. And most of those people were actually using Malaysian palm oil because the study came out of Malaysia. So it's very, very good oil. It's kind of the olive oil of Asia and Africa. It's a very, very basic
And is that
oil.
Something that's easy to get?
Easy to get. A lot of health, a lot of places where they sell ethnic foods have it. And sometimes you don't even know it's Malaysian palm oil. It's just in the thing, but just know that that is a great oil. And I mention Malaysia because they're sustainable there. And they really care about the environment. Then you have the fun